I hear the train a-coming, it's rolling round the bend, and I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on. Oh, but the train keeps rolling on down to San Antonio.
When I was just a baby, my mama told me, son, always be a good boy and don't ever play with guns. I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head and cry.
I shot a man in Reno just to watch him die. Oh, when I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head out and cry.
Better.
When I hear that whistle blowing, I hang my head out and cry. I bet there's rich folks eating in a fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Oh, I know I had it coming. I know I can breathe free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what is torturing me. Ooh. Well, if they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, I'd bet I'd move it on a little further down the line. How far from Folsom Prison, that's where I want to stay.
And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away. I bet there's rich folks eating in fancy dining car. They're probably drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. Well, I had it coming. I know I can't be free. But those people keep on moving, and that's what tortures me.
And I'd let that lonesome whistle blow my blues away.